Bismillahirrahmanirrahim warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This question of this video like tutorial about tutorial about what to do plan. Before that, I wanna plan this code. The first is the setup and install USB serial portrait. This means is the setup USB serial portrait 115 200 and register one begin pin in the pin is analog pin ADG to underscore GH5. This mean is in pin um, on pin 12 and the setup will set pin 13 as output. And after that, loop. Serial write create input with auto reference. This means is loop the serial write will create with the input at the level and measure a value the server with analog value 0 4 0 9 5 0 and 100 and after that this delay second or 2000 and after that if master my value master one red analog value will be 0 and 4 0 9 5 and 0 and 100 and after that this is more than more 35 the sensor or the pump will automatically entering pan and that digital red pin 13 value 1 and digital red pin 13 value 0. Okay. Okay, the first is this cable. This cable you plug in on what power bank or your laptop and that the electric will over here and the electric will give like power and do this. The name is what the name is the name is relay and after that mm, this will give sensor to the sensor and the function is we just put the sensor over here and yeah and that is for like make more high the command stick be 5 volt and that is the same is relay that over here there is the ND in the ND and one and two and VOG and function is will like detect the humidity if already more than 75 will will stop it and if less than what if less than 75 will implant or when is water implant that this like for the battery and for the battery and this cable again one go to the DC pump and one again from here and that the function from here and the function from ESP32 is like a stop contact like this on and this off. Okay. mm, Maybe just that from my video tutorial. Sorry the mistake and after that if you want to more clear from my explanation is you can copy paste this from here, like from the sensor and from the plugin and how to wiring it. Okay, maybe just that from my video. If there are any mistake, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For he now, both the humidity and the cell are ready, wet or not. Okay, let's try. Wait, we will change again.
Nah, selesai juga. Ini lihat nih, kayak gini nih buatnya.
And I'll put over here.
Tidak. Kak, kak.
And after that,
Coba aja kayak gini kak.
and after that, put the water again over here. And okay. And the water over here. And this the water. And the water already wet. Okay, maybe just that from my video tutorial. So if there are mistake, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.